All right, so now I am sitting and it's cozy and it's comfortable, it's casual, right? Like you came to my office and we're just chatting here and I'm talking to you. Or I can stand up. I hope I don't break anything here. I can stand up and I'm more in my hips. I can move, I can swing, I can do different things. I can be more expressive. So you need to ask yourself, how do you want to present yourself? Do you want to sit or do you want to stand? There's no right or wrong answer. What I can tell you is that I do most of my videos actually standing. I rarely sit. Today I decided to sit because it's a new studio for us and I have a desk and I just want to try something different, a little bit more casual. But I would suggest 90% of the time, stand if you can. Because it gives you more energy, you can swing your hips and you can be more expressive, you're not limited to sitting. But also you shoot 3 days, it can be exhausting. And also when you sit, it's a little bit more casual. So think about what you want to do. If you're not quite sure, we can always try that out when you come out. Unless you ask us for some specific cool chair and we don't have it, then we're in trouble. So we would like to do some planning in advance. So go ahead, watch some videos on YouTube and compare and ask yourself, which one do I like the most? And the website I would recommend is masterclass.com. Take a look, they have great examples and see which one resonates the most with you and then let us know.